accessing the private parking area downstairs. Once you get to the apartment, you will have a remote control. And you also have a normal set of key fobs. This is the one that you use to open the parking door downstairs. Yeah. So once you're outside the apartment on Vale Road, opposite the scooter garage, you walk down, and it's gonna be your first right from the top of the road, which is at the back of the building. This is after you picked up your key fob from the key box. And you turn right. The rest you can also park it in the visitors bays. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 visitor bays. All of those are visitor spaces with a V. You can park anywhere there. Or you can park, once you picked up the parking remote control, pressing the front button to open the gate, and you can park in bay 39. So you enter the car parking area. Turn around over here, and this is your bay. This is your car parking bay 39. You will see the bay parking bay 39. So this is your space. Once you finish parking, you're gonna get upstairs to the apartment by using your set of keys. You will see block C, and you will see an area where you can tap one of your fobs. So you're gonna use the black fob, tap it across here, and you get access. Come up here, and the apartment is on the first floor, which is the top floor. Stairs, turn left. And you use your other white key fob to get into the door. Rub your hand across the blue rail, tap it in, and you're into the apartment.